Evenings feels hard when your mind has nowhere to land. During the day, you're busy. You're responding, you're moving, you're doing. Then suddenly, you stop. And all the thoughts that were waiting politely starting lining up. You stop doing, but you don't stop thinking. And that can make tomorrow feel bigger than it really is. Heavier, louder. Sometimes it even feels like tomorrow's already started, even though today is not finished yet. The simple idea in this class is this: give your mind a soft place to rest before sleep. Not a to do list, not a plan for your whole life, just a soft place. We'll do that using one calm page. This works because writing, instead of bouncing around in your head, they land somewhere safe. First, writing moves thoughts out of your head. Second, choosing one small focus reduces pressure. Third, closing the day gently helps your body relax. And notice how none of this is about productivity, it's about relief. For example, if you lie in bed replaying tomorrow, then writing one clear note helps because your brain doesn't have to hold everything. It can finally rest. Here's the flow we'll follow, and I want you to see the whole picture before we start. First, write a short reflection. Second, add one gentle plan. Third, close with reassurance. That's it. If this idea already made your evening feel a little lighter, you're in a good place right now. If you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version, where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the entire class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here, so you don't lose your momentum. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month. Before you go, let me know in the comments what part of your evenings feels hardest right now. Your comments really help more beginners discover this video, and I read everyone. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.